Alright fellas, here's what's going on today. So on my dashboard I have all these lights, and they all have something to do with the braking system. So I'm thinking it might be something wrong with my brake light switch, and that's what I'm going to replace today. Here's what the part looks like. I have two of them right here. The white one is the original one that I'm about to show you how to replace. The black one is the new one that I got that hopefully works a little bit better than the original one is working right now. All it is a little piece of electronics that senses when the brake pedal is being pressed and tells the car that you're pressing it, so that it can do things like turn the brake light on. If you have an automatic transmission, it requires that you're touching the brake to turn the car on and stuff like that. It's not required for the car to actually brake. That's controlled by a hydraulic system, and this has nothing to do with that. First thing we have to do is remove this plastic panel that I'm pointing to right here. Only thing that's really holding it in place is this screw right here. So all you gotta do is unscrew that, and you'll just be able to pull on the panel. It's just held in by clips at this point, and they'll just snap right off. And there we go. And there's just one more panel that we have to remove. This one is only held in by clips. We just have to pull down on it a little hard, and it'll snap right off. Alright, now that we've removed all the plastic trim, we can take a peek underneath and locate the brake light switch. It's this thing I'm pointing to right here. So before we remove the switch itself, we have to disconnect the electrical connector that it's plugged into. That's what I'm doing right here. And now we can just twist on the brake light switch and pull it out. There's a little plastic mount that the brake light switch fits into, and that's just what I'm prying out right now. So here I'm just snapping in the new plastic mount that the new brake light switch will fit into. Okay, now it's time to install the new brake light switch, so I'm just going to press it into that plastic mount and turn it to the right, and it should snap in. Now that that's snapped in, I'm going to reattach the electrical connector to the other end. And that's all there is to it.